2007 Toyota Sienna, changing the front brake pads and rotors. There's the new one, new brake pads. There's the rotor, and I'll show you guys the brake pads that came out. So guys, this is what came out. Look at this. It was metal touching the rotor, and this is a new one. Let's see if I can show it like this. So look. Yeah, this is the old one right here, and this is the new one. Yeah, so I've applied anti. All right, this is the other side. I just opened up, and if you look here, you can see the brake pads are done. Not as bad as the other side, but hang on, I'll show you. So see, some people, they're driving on these and they think, and this is like uneven from here. The rotors were done as well. Like you see this lip here, and then there's a lip here. You can see it on here. Yeah, so if your rotors are like this and your brake pads are getting worn out like this, you probably need new rotors. Like the outer lip is out. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera. Like this is far out and this is in all the way. So they're done. Yeah. Out with the old, and we will be putting the new ones in. Now I'm gonna open up and remove the rotors, and then I'm gonna also push this back.